Hello guys, in this tutorial I will guide you on how to fix this phone number is banned on Telegram. So a lot of Telegram users have faced this issue where their phone number is banned, and this occurs or has happened since after the arrest and indictment of Pavel Durov, which is a Telegram CEO. So after just the arrest and release of Pavel Durov, a lot of people have been facing this issue where their Telegram account have been banned. So maybe sometimes you may even didn't violate any of their policies, but you just found your phone number is banned, and you know your Telegram account may be useful. So I'll give you some tips in order to unban your Telegram number. So first, you need to send an appeal email to recover@telegram.org. So just send your email to this which is recover@telegram.org, and in your appeal explain that you believe you did nothing wrong and that automated bots may have reported your account. Ask them to review your account and check if you have violated any of their policies. So you need to send an appeal letter to this email. You can also contact them through their website, which is telegram.org/support. So here, just describe your problem. Sometimes our automated system from Telegram may have reported your account, which lead to account being banned. So just explain your problem, and here you must put your email and then put your phone number, which is banned. Very important. So just fill your phone number which have been banned and send an appeal through your contact form. Also, you may have sent it 2 times through the email which I have provided to you and through the contact form. Just explain all the details why you think Telegram is wrong in banning your phone number and you haven't violated any of your policies. So they will review it, and I have seen a lot of people from Reddit which say that it may take up to 3 months for your account to be unbanned. So you see, wait for 3 months, then mail to Recover Telegram that you want to register this number. So a lot of people are facing this issue and they are blaming Telegram now, which it has become less useful. Telegram, you see a lot of people are attacking the CEO since Telegram is banning a lot of users for now. So just send an appeal, nothing can do, and you hope maybe your account will be unbanned, since some people have got their account back after sending an appeal. You just need to do that, and nothing you can do to get your account instantly. You just need to send an appeal